Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration YC14 SOJ. 2014 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi 155 PSD, Cab Limited L2 Crew Cab. It's a factory crew cab. It has done 100,000 miles. And has a full service history with 13 service stamps. Recent clutch and flywheel last year. The van comes with heated leather seats, air conditioning, cruise control, alloys, tailgate model, side steps, DAB radio, parking sensors, Bluetooth, heated screen, tow bar. A full MOT and service are included in the sale. PX is considered at trade value, finance is available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or 01885488188.